In this tutorial I'll show you how to tag someone on Facebook. So first of all, let's open up the Facebook app. And then let's create a new post by tapping on where it says what's on your mind. Let's add a random photo from my gallery. Now tap on this blue icon at the bottom left of the screen. So now you can search for specific people and tag them. As you can see at the top, it says that I tagged someone. So now I will post this to Facebook. So that's one way to tag someone in a new Facebook post. And if you want to tag someone in an existing post, so I will go to my Facebook profile. I will open this post. Now to tag people, you need to tap on this tag icon at top right of the screen. If your post has any faces, it will automatically detect them, but you can also tap anywhere and type in the names of the people. After that, tap on the tag icon at the top right to save it. So now all of the people that you selected are tagged in this post.